Every new site you create on Peregrine comes with a set of preloaded templates, which you'll notice as you start to navigate through the sites that you create. So let's just go ahead and take this new site that I created, and what I mean by that is you have a home page, you have an article hub or node that has a starter article in it, and then you'll have a starter author article underneath authors. And so you can work with these pages as they are, and to that end, let's just go ahead and click on Home. You can access that in two ways. Let's just go back to Pages. You saw that I clicked here, and I went to the page. And the other option is I can click here. It's just as easy to intuitively click on the name. And here, you can stay with what's preloaded, which usually is just a general marker area up top to put some business information in, and then just a couple of components that exist in the component menu. You can go ahead and edit these if you want. Let's just do this. You can leave that. Let's say you want to change this article name to these articles. Always hit the check button, and that will save the changes that you've made to that component. If you try to navigate away from it as you're trying to save it, it will ask you if you want to save. And that's a nice little stopgap feature that prevents you from accidentally deleting things. So let's just say we wanted to edit these just very simply. You can also tab through to each element in the component. So if you notice, I actually am clicking now with my mouse, but you can also just tab with the tab key on your keyboard. It will also work to tab to the next component in the queue, and then you can go ahead and edit from there. And it will default to the first text box in that component, and then you can tab within that component itself to each field. So it's nice, your fingers never have to leave the keyboard if you don't want to.